Hi Scott, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service, and we've got your Honda 750 at the point where I'm sure you've been waiting for. We're actually going to start it up for you so you can see it run. Mostly back together. We just have to do the gauges, the body work, and the seat now, and a couple little minor things, but other than that everything is buttoned up and looking nice. Engine's all back together in one piece again. Carburetors have been rebuilt. Everything electrical is complete on it. So we've got it set up with a temporary gas tank right now, just so you can actually run it without any body work on it. And we have the new tires, chain, the 4 new exhausts, obviously probably the best part. And we'll just give you a quick walk around and then we'll start it up and let you hear it run.
You gotta love that license plate, Scott. That's the headlight. And one more time, you can get close to listen to the engine. That's the bike.